This Etsy shop is making serious money selling sweatshirts. And they're not doing anything crazy. They're just selling products that people want. So they sell personalized sweatshirts, mom sweatshirts, gifts, and they've just built their shop around it. So in this video, I'm going to break down the exact workflow you need to follow if you want to shop like this and how to find winning products using EverBee. Let's get started. So the reason I love Etsy is that you can start making money as a complete beginner because they already have the traffic. And while some people might say, yes, but you can't really build a brand like that, you can't really have orders without Etsy, well, that's the entire point. Etsy helps you out, you help them out by selling on their platform, and it becomes an easier business model once you understand how research is done and how to use tools like EverBee to put it into action and to find what actually sells. Then obviously it is up to you to bring your creativity, to understand what people want, and to come up with unique product ideas that will get bought. So first, let's analyze the shop that I'm talking about, and how I see their sales is with EverBee. So once you install the EverBee Chrome extension, you can use the link below. You can analyze Etsy listings and Etsy shops, and it gives you the exact metrics, what they're selling, and let's analyze it and see what it does. That is so good. So obviously what this shop does is that it is not trying to sell everything. It focuses on a very specific direction with sweatshirts with emotional, giftable, wearable designs. People don't buy these sweatshirts because they're out of clothes. I think that we're past that point now where people buy clothes because they need them. We buy them because we like clothing, we like fashion, and it's a desire of ours to gift nice things to ourselves or others. And most of the times they buy them because they mean something to them and it made them feel a certain way. So for mama sweatshirts, grandma gifts, personalized kid name sweatshirts, embroidered style cozy pieces, sentimental or funny sayings. This is what makes your shop strong, but you need to know your direction and where you're going with your brand. So the best brands target emotion, feeling, and making the customer feel seen, understood, and cared for. So this is how you win when you start a brand, whether you start it on Etsy or anywhere else. A good brand gets seen. So when we're looking at this listing in EverBee, you can see why this matters, because this sweatshirt is estimated at 54 sales a month, over 1,800 in monthly revenue, and over 2,800 total sales. This is from one listing concept. So imagine what happens when a shop builds multiple listings that are selling the same way. So to get to this point, first off, you need to spend a few days and do research on Etsy with EverBee. You can use the Etsy search bar as well. It will help you. You can browse through products on Etsy, see their bestsellers, but what will actually give you the insights is EverBee, because you see exactly the keywords they used when they listed the product, so how old that listing is, making you understand demand, how in demand that product is. So before creating anything, you need proof of what sells and what people are searching for. So this is exactly what I recommend you do, whether you want to sell sweatshirts, t-shirts, mugs, whatever you want to sell. You can use a platform such as Printify for print on demand, so you don't have to manually ship the products to your customers. You really need to understand what niches are working, what people are searching for, and then bring your own spin to those products and make your brand unique. So a few things that you want to keep in mind if you're going for this sweatshirts route. It is not too competitive because sweatshirts, yes, are really popular on Etsy, but if you add the right designs to them, you can stand out. So I obviously do not recommend copying any of the products that you see on Etsy, but for example, if you see this sweatshirt that sells really well with mama established in 2025, for example, and then the kids' names on the sleeves or things like that, you can get that idea and make it unique and make it your own, because this is a general thing that most shops do with mom sweatshirts. Is not a unique idea that one brand just invented. So you can put your own spin onto that type of a design. But with exact designs, for example, this frog sweatshirt, obviously don't copy that, but you can do it in a fun way with a different character because it's something that you can do, and another funny saying. So this is what I mean when you're doing the research, is just look at the products that are selling a lot, that are super popular right now and that people really want to buy, and really give it some thought. Educate yourself, look at what people are seeing on Instagram, on TikTok, what they really love, and then also make sure that you love the product that you're creating, because this will help you work on them a lot more. So for example, instead of copying this exact sweatshirt, you can do this. You can do the same type of sweatshirts for grandmas, aunties, dads, a custom nickname sweatshirt, pet mom sweatshirts, personalized birth year sweatshirts, funny motherhood sayings like, I wish I had time for coffee, and things like that. So EverBee is not here to help you copy what listings work best, but to help you identify strategies and to help you understand what's selling. And then with EverBee, obviously, when you're trying to build your exact listing, if you go to their keyword research tool, you type in, for example, grandma sweatshirt, and they give you a bunch of keywords that you can add to your title, description, and tags. And it is very important that you do so in a natural way. So don't just add the keywords and then again, keyword after keyword with a line in between. You can add them in a natural way. Now, if I were to give you a product idea to add to your Etsy store, no matter the niche you're in and no matter the niche that you're selling sweatshirts in, is to enable personalized items. For example, with Printify, you can do that from their app. Because when people see a really nice design, they want it to mean something to them. So of course, it is really important to help them personalize it. So you can just say, this is personalizable, you can order, and then we'll send you with Printify and then do the modifications. Or you can create a sweatshirt in Printify that just creates itself once the client gives their name for personalization. In one of my next videos, I will do an in-depth tutorial for personalization and how it works for Etsy and also Shopify or any other platform that you might want. So once you start branding your Etsy store and you see what's selling, you can come up with different products as well. So you can choose mugs, you can choose other products like t-shirts, hoodies, even sets and more. So this really depends on the brand angle that you want your business to have and the vision that you had for this. But mostly on Etsy, you see what works and you do more of that so you can get more sales and grow your store. Just as they did here, they kept adding multiple sweatshirts, personalizable in different colors, beautiful colors with sleeve embroidery and more. So this is how they got to over $30,000 per month by selling sweatshirts on Etsy. So essentially, this is your workflow. Go into EverBee with Etsy and research your product. Research the niches for the sweatshirts that are selling. Identify patterns in best-selling listings. Then choose a clear niche for your store. Build the products with Printify. Create a consistent branded Etsy shop. List strategically with good keywords and make more variations of what performs well. If you want your store to grow even more, you can even dive into social media to create content, order samples, and start creating beautiful videos and photos with your product. So if you're ready to finally start your Etsy store that you've been putting off for so long, make sure to click the link below to try out EverBee and Printify and start your print-on-demand store. If this video helped you, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe to my channel because more videos are coming. And I want to thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!